Hello, I like to make today chocolates which is filled up with jelly type of made from their drink. So what we need for this recipe, first of all, any mold, chocolate mold of your choice, whatever you're able to find it, basically, and we need one of those molds, which is we place simply on a tray for easier transfer into refrigerator. Next step is we need dark chocolate melt. Also you can use milk chocolate if you like to do so, and simply melt it over saucepan with a simmering water or in the microwave. We need 125 mils of their espresso. I just place in a glass measuring jug, and it just depends how many you will actually make it. I just took it 125 mils, and we need one packet, which is 10 gram of gelatin. It's a clear unflavored gelatin. It comes with 5 packets inside. We need only one packet, which is 10 gram. So what we do is we just simply sprinkle gelatin drink there, mix it together, and what we do is we place in the microwave for about 30 seconds in order to dissolve gelatin. So if you find that 30 seconds is not enough to dissolve gelatin, just do increase to make sure 30 to 1 minute. So place on the side till it's slightly warm, so we just won't cool down. So to apply basically our chocolate, we just take small amount of the chocolate, place it inside cavity, and use back of spoon to simply spread around, just like this. Make sure it's hollow inside, enough to pour their mixture, their gelatin mixture. So simply spread like that. Once all chocolate cavity, chocolate mold cavity is filled up, as you can see, we have actual the hollow inside. That's for our their jelly. Place in a refrigerator for about 15 minutes to set and harden. Once chocolates are set, they're nice and hard, what we do is our jelly is cooled down also. You can use just post drying or simply use it. Do not fill up your jelly right to the end, because we will add some chocolate to close our chocolates completely. So once we fill up all the mold cavities with their jelly, we place in the fridge or refrigerator. How fast, it just depends how fast do you want it. Basically then be ready. I will place in the freezer for about 30 minutes. It actually took me only 15 minutes, and I check, and jelly absolutely fine. This is really cool. So as you can see, it's nicely and beautifully set. So what we do is we just take a remaining of the dark chocolate milks, basically, or dark chocolate, whatever left over, and we simply fill up rest of chocolate mold cavity. Do not worry if you slightly overfill, because we will use like butter knife, any straight knife will do, and we just run over it to make it straight, just like this. Fill up whatever leftover space, and what we do is we just take flat knife and simply run on top to make nice and flat. Do not worry if it's a little bit messy, because once we invert our chocolates, we clean up all this sort of, it just makes it easy this way. So once we fill up all the rest of Our chocolate to cover jelly, we place back in the fridge or refrigerator to completely set and harden. Once chocolate is completely set, what you do is place them on a cooling rack over the tray, cover it with baking paper, just easier to clean. Remove them out and just gently press them out. Once we've done that, as you can see, we have a little bit some bits, so do not get worried. Simply take knife and just run around it. Next step, please, is place melted white chocolate into a Ziploc bag. Get rid of all excess the air. White corner, and we just pipe on top of chocolate to make it more attractive. Let it set. Now our chocolates are ready, and as you can see, it has beautiful contrast of chocolate drink there inside. Also, you can use other drinks like ice break also if you like, or any other of your choice. Thank you very much for your time with me today. I hope you like this simple creation of chocolate with a beautiful there jelly inside. Everything will be in the description box. Thank you for your time. Until next time, goodbye.